Hey everybody, it's Mike 2 from Orchard Trailers. We just got in this gorgeous new Rockwood 8263. It is a signature series, so it's got all the bells and whistles. It is loaded up very nicely. Front kitchen with a bar and a giant TV. As we move back through, you're going to see mid-bedroom. Nice big bed, king size bed in here. Nice storage area. And then the bathroom is absolutely huge. So we have a supersized shower with a seat. Of course, your porcelain toilet. And then we have his and hers amenities. Such a great floor plan. This again is the signature 8263MB from Rockwood. We have it here on the ground. Give us a call or come check it out.